show you how I make my mini reading log notebooks. These are the sheets I'm going to be using, and this is the sticker sheet I'm going to be using for my covers. I'm going to go ahead and cut here at 5 1/4 or in half, cut the sheet in half right here. And then now I'm going to cut here at 4 1/4. I'm going to cut right here also in half, and these are going to be my front and back cover sheets. So this is going to be a 5 1/2 by 4 1/4, but my chipboard is going to be 3 inches by 5 1/2 because I'm going to be folding the edges inside. You'll see once I do this. I'm going to go ahead and peel the backing of my sticker sheet, and then I'm going to go ahead and center it in the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and slide it with my squeegee right here so I don't get any bubbles. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold the edges right here, and this is my front cover. Once I have this, I'll go ahead and do my back cover, doing the same process, peeling a little bit from the top, folding it, centering my chipboard. Eyeball it right here. I'm going to smooth it out and place it on the chipboard. And then fold my edges once again for the back cover. So this is going to be a 3-inch mini notebook by 5 1/2. And I'm going to do the same with my sheets. Right here, I just cut the half of the sheet, which is a 5 1/4. And then here, I'm going to cut at 4 1/4. And it's going to be a 3-inch sheet. And right here, I just cut at 3 inches. And then here also, here at 4, we're going to do 4 1/4. And then at 3 inches right here. My sheets are going to be 3 inches by 5 1/2. Right here, I align it. And I'll do the rest of my sheets. So here, cut in half, cut the sheet in half, which is 5 1/2, 5.5. And here it's going to be also cut the sheet in half, which is 4 1/4. And then I'm going to trim this extra and leave it at 3 inches. So this is a mini reading log notebook. It's portable, it's slim, and you could carry it anywhere. And then you could just tear off the sheets once you fill it out and place it in your book, inside your book, or just keep everything inside here in the notebook. So you're able to like tear away the pages because it's going to be spiral binding right here. I'm going to use this spiral binding machine. So you could leave all your book reading log in here or tear off the pages, however you want to do it. Keep everything in one notebook or place the sheets in your book that you are reading. So it has a title, author, start date, end date, genre. You have a slot for a rating. If it was a book, physical book, a Kindle, or an audiobook, and then you could write your thoughts, also a slot for thoughts. So this is the spiral binding I'll be using. So this is how I do my mini reading log notebooks. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more of these, go ahead and follow.